Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here to reveal the teaser of Birla Trimaya Phase 3 which is located in Shatigere Road, Devanahalli. Well, firstly, before starting with the teaser, I want to show you where exactly is our project going to be built, the area where the project is going to be built. So firstly, we are standing in this road. So like I said, this is the Shettigere road and towards my left hand side is the plot, the area where our property is going to be built, our super luxurious Villa Trimaya Phase 3. Okay, so in this particular video, we will be discussing regarding the project overview, location, area, amenities, booking process, launch offer, discounts and so on. So firstly, let's discuss about the project overview. This particular property is across 52 acres of land parcel where 2,600 apartments of premium residences are going to be built. Talking about the location, like I said, I've already mentioned that the location of this particular project is Shettigere Road, Devanahalli. Let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of this particular property is with Kempegowda International Airport, which is just 6.8 kilometers from here. Also, Airport City Metro Station is just 3 kilometers from here and 2 kilometers away from Forum Mall. So now let's discuss about the amenities. Well, this particular property has some ultra luxurious amenities consisting of clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, central park, kids play area, senior citizen gardens and so on. Talking about the area of this particular property is ranging from 800 square feet to 3000 square feet. This particular property consists of 5 or 6 towers and we have basement, ground plus 11 or 12 floors. Variants being 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK of premium residences. We also have maid's room attached with our flat. Now let's talk about the booking process, launch offers, discounts and so on. Well, if at all you are interested in this particular property, you can get in touch with our sales team who will give you a detailed explanation about the project with the structure. They'll also give you a detailed explanation regarding pricing and payment details. After all this, if you are interested and you want to book your flat, you can do that by getting a token. So everyone, this was the teaser release of Birla Trimaya Phase 3 situated in Devanahalli, Bengaluru. Do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative videos and home tours, villa tours. So everyone, this was the teaser release of Birla Trimaya Phase 3 situated in Devanahalli, Bengaluru.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.